Thank you, Doctor. Mr. Whitaker, in addressing illegal UAS flights, do you feel there are any additional authorities that the FAA believes Congress can or should provide to curtail or penalize wrongful operation of UAS?
We're currently doing a review of our authorities internally with DOT and also with other agencies. But one of the challenges with this issue is actually locating the UAS operators. It's less a question of authority or magnitude of penalties as it is actually locating the operators. If you look at these pilot reports, they tell us where the UAS is, but they don't tell us where the operator is. If you contrast that with laser strikes, the pilot usually knows exactly where that strike is coming from. So one of the biggest challenges we're having is locating the operators in the first place, which is why our emphasis has been on education and beefing up that methodology.
And also for you, Mr. Whitaker, according to news reports, government agencies and private companies have acquired and deployed drone detection systems that utilize some combination of radio frequency, thermal detection, video and audio technology that can immediately locate the UAS and its operator. Is the FAA considering similar detection technologies as part of the agency's efforts to mitigate the risk of a mid-air collision between UAS and manned aircraft?
We announced today a new research partnership that goes just to that issue, that deploys a technology at airports that allows you to survey the area within 5 miles of the airport and detect radio signals from UAS. So that technology is going into testing, and it's one of a variety of technologies that we're looking for to detect drones in the airport environment.
So you'll assess the two testing programs to determine how you proceed from there?
We will assess the results of that technology as well as geofencing and some other technologies to try to develop an approach, again, in conjunction with other agencies that have a security issue involved here as well.
So the pilot programs that you announced today, can you give us any timelines on these of when they will be operational at those locations?
The technology is an existing technology, so there hasn't been an announcement of location or time frame yet, but that should be coming shortly.
Okay. Mr. Larson.